Thank you for buying a Godrej ViroShield. This is a 30-liter UVC technology-based disinfecting device which disinfects against more than 99% COVID-19 viruses in just 2 to 6 minutes. Godrej ViroShield 4.0 has been tested and certified for UVC irradiance by an ICMR empaneled lab as shown on the seal. It also works against all kinds of surfaces except power bank. Now we shall proceed with setting up the device. Godrej Appliances uses honeycomb packaging made from biodegradable paper pulp, which is as sturdy as traditional thermocol packaging, but eco-friendly. This does not harm the environment when it's discarded. Place the product on an even platform and remove all packaging material, such as protective film found in or around the unit. Do not remove the legs under any circumstances.
Remember to examine the unit for any damages, such as dents or broken doors, before proceeding with installation. Make sure that there is minimum clearance of 3 inches between the unit and the rear wall. Do not place the unit near a heat source, like a gas stove or induction cooktop, as it could damage the product. The unit should not be exposed to any direct sunlight either.
The user manual is placed inside the ViroShield. Please read the entire user manual carefully for best usage of the product and follow all the precautions listed here for your safety. Do share these precautions with everyone in the house who may be using Godrej ViroShield. Once read, please keep it in a safe place for further reference.
Power on switch will glow to indicate that the power is reaching the unit. This is an LED indicator, glows green when the door closes and the disinfection process starts. It will switch off after the 6-minute cycle to indicate the completion of the disinfection cycle.
Before we proceed, let me explain how Godrej ViroShield disinfects germs like coronavirus. This product uses UVC rays, which are known for its sterilization properties. These are also present in sun rays, which is why since ancient times we have used sunlight to disinfect things. Even today, you will notice people prefer to dry baby clothes in sunlight. ViroShield uses these special disinfecting UVC rays in much higher intensity for quick disinfecting of different surfaces. When you open the door, you will see these 4 tubes. These are special UVC lamps which operate at 254 nanometer, which is the optimal wavelength for neutralizing pathogens, viruses and bacteria, including COVID-19. These lamps have been given protective covering to avoid any damage. You will notice all the 6 internal sides are highly reflective to ensure 360-degree UVC coverage of the item kept inside. The fixed bottom tray is where you need to place the item you need to disinfect.
This is a door switch. When the door closes, the door switch gets pressed automatically, switching on the UVC tubes. If one has a doubt about the lights working, pressing the door switch momentarily can tell whether the lights are working. However, one must avoid looking directly at the UV tubes for long. For your own safety, we recommend that you avoid pressing the door switch manually.
Prolonged direct exposure to UVC rays is harmful to human health. It can affect our eyes and skin and must be avoided. And this is why Godrej ViroShield has been designed to be 100% UV leak proof. It has also been tested for 100% UV leak proof effectiveness.
There is no see-through surface or window. All 6 sides are opaque and with reflective interiors to block any UVC leak. It comes with magnetic door, ceiling, and the walls are 50 mm thick on all sides. It also comes with an auto cutoff. As soon as we open the door, the lights are switched off. The on-off switch is also at the back of the product to avoid any accidental operation while cleaning or by any child.
We will now look at how to operate Godrej ViroShield.
Plug the power cable and press the switch at the back. Open the door and place items on the grill. Make sure there is adequate space between items and avoid overlapping items for optimal UV exposure. This point is important. UV rays disinfect germs on the surface of the product. All surfaces of the product therefore must be available for UV rays to act on. If we cover a surface by putting another product on it or touching it, that part will remain unexposed and will not be sanitized. Close the door for the unit to start working. A short buzzer and the green LED on top will indicate the initialization of disinfecting process. After each interval of 30 seconds, a short beep will sound to indicate the ongoing disinfection process. After 6 minutes, a long buzzer will sound and the green LED will cut off to indicate the completion of cycle. Only for odd-shaped items, for example these, it is advisable to be repositioned after every 3 minutes for all-round coverage. Important: switch off the power button at the back or switch off the power plug, whatever is more convenient for you when you have finished using the product.
Godrej ViroShield can disinfect almost anything.
You can use ViroShield to disinfect packaged food and dairy products, your packets of rice, pulses, wheats, packets of milk, curd or beverages, chocolates, even pizza boxes, or fruits and vegetables. Remember, our fruits and vegetables change many hands before they come to us, and apart from dirt, may be carrying other germs. Some visual tanning or browning may be observed due to UVC exposure. This is normal and is not seen to impact taste and smell, and the food items are safe to consume.
Godrej ViroShield is tested and certified for negligible loss of nutrients, minerals and vitamins in fruits and vegetables post-disinfecting as per FSSAI standards by an NABL accredited lab.
Since fruits and vegetables also may be carrying dirt or pesticide remains, we recommend you do continue the practice of washing them, since ViroShield only disinfects germs and can't remove these other residues. In case you wash them first, then please dry them before putting them for disinfection in the ViroShield.
Do not let water or any other liquid drip over UV tube.
You can use ViroShield to disinfect your masks, gloves, thermometer also, or items such as mobiles, wallets, purses, gold ornaments, currency notes, even laptops.
Objects may feel warm after sanitizing is over, and this is completely normal phenomenon.
For items which you may feel may fall through the tray, you can use a transparent packet like this. Any courier parcels you may have ordered online, documents, books, files and folders. Newspapers can be sanitized as shown. The outer surface is most susceptible to germs, so we can sanitize the outer surface only. Even shoes can be sanitized, but we recommend you put these in a transparent plastic packet as they may be dirty. It is important to put them in a see-through transparent packet for the UVC rays to penetrate properly to the shoe surface. The ViroShield is large enough to accommodate even helmets, which many of you may be using on a day-to-day basis. Young children are often vulnerable to infections they pick up from other children as they share toys and play together closely.
So you see, You can use it for almost everything. But remember, do not use it for power banks. Also, note that ViroShield should not be used for sterilization of surgical tools or any medical equipment.
To ensure long life, kindly clean the unit regularly. Switch off the unit and allow standing time of 20 minutes before cleaning. Take a damp cloth and clean the outer edges and door. With the damp cloth, clean the inside of the door and gasket. Do not touch the door switch and UV tubes with damp cloth. Use a soft brush to remove any dirt gently around the tubes.
We request you not to let young children use ViroShield, and we remind you that direct prolonged exposure to UVC rays is harmful and must be avoided. Your Godrej ViroShield comes with a 1-year comprehensive warranty. We recommend you to take AMC once the warranty period expires. Should you need any assistance with the product, please contact Godrej Appliances Smart Connect Center on 1800 209 5511, which is operational 24/7 and is available in 14 different languages. Or you could mail them at smartcare@godrej.com, or you could connect to them via app Godrej Smart Care by Servify, or log into the website www.godrejsmartcare.com.